All right. Here we go. Nice. Quickie box break number 5, 11:55 Eastern Standard Time. Here it goes. Dub X up in this joint piece, too. What's up? It's 2 p.m. over there, so it's taco time over there. All right. Box break number 5 of Contenders. These loose boxes have just been killing it. Here we go. How about Jamie Collins? Actually, Jamie Collins sells pretty well. 38 out of 99. Jamie Collins going to New England. Spider, there you go, buddy. Little playoff ticket for you. Oh no, Mark R's up in here too? Everybody's showing up late night. What's going on? What are you guys doing up so late? Mikey Wiley's got his tea time? How about a Kembrell Tompkins? Short print, though. That'll be the variation. Well, maybe it's not short print, but it's a variation. Kembrell Tompkins. So, back-to-back hits for Spider Soccer. Here you go, Bob. You're doing A-okay. Randy D trying to really get me to list up something tonight, huh? I appreciate it, Randy. It's good to see you here, brother. Yeah, we do got all kinds of people coming in. But we also, spots go on sale early in the day so that you can actually use the trading feature on the website, which no other websites have. So there's an actual trading feature. So that's why spots go on sale at noon. That's kind of why we cut it off a little bit later at night too. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Could these boxes get any better? How about this? Hey, Waxman. How about a short print 71 out of 99? Next time I say I got loose boxes, I want you guys to say, how many do you have? Are you joking right now? Oh. Crazy. Drew, you know what to do, dude. Get that thing just graded. Dude, Jerry, all we've been doing is getting good hits tonight. This is crazy. So the variation playoff ticket, 71 out of 99. EJ. Dude, you guys, this is nuts. Well, these boxes aren't terrible, right? Wow. There's a Contenders Efort 5 out of 10. Just keep that short print too. So if we don't get it autoed, at least it'll still be really short. So going to Cincinnati, Joe C. There you go, buddy. 5 out of 10. Efort. So we still have a couple autos. I'll have to look at the Kembrell. Here's a BJ Daniels. I'm going to Seahawks. Spider, there you go, buddy. Spider, you got some getting some hits here, brother. Let's just get some more. Let's just finish off. And you guys wonder why, like, I love Contenders? This is exactly why. 5 to 6 autos per box, short print stuff, and then I thought it was gonna be cracked ice because I know. Well, Maddie already has it, but here's Kerry Robinson going to New Orleans, which would be, look at Matty G. Matty G bought spots in his sleep. He's sleep breaking again. So there you go, Matty. Just tack it on to all your Saints hits. No problem, Stevie. Take care, buddy. So last stack here in box number 5, but we are just killing it tonight out of Contenders. If you put them up high enough, you're going to get them every time. That a team that nobody really wants. If nobody wants the Saints, then he puts them up there. He's got them all day. Yeah, but the one, there was actually, what was it, last box? Yeah, last box he did not have the Saints, and a cracked ice came out. So it does happen from time to time. What we got? One more left? Give me some goods here. 3 packs. I thought it was going to be a nice little dual auto. Come on. Yeah, we had two shadow boxes back to back out of Panini Black. Don't do it right now. Who's this going to be? Yep. Are you joking right now? Rookie playoff ticket, RPS variation of Tavon, too? D. Joe's 78. That was a disgusting box. Dude, we are killing it out of Contender. I'm so glad I have more Contenders coming in. I think it's going to be in this weekend. Let's just do a little recap. Tavon, RPS playoff ticket. Are you joking? Kerry Robinson, BJ Daniels, 5 out of 10. Eford, Kembrell Tompkins. It looks good. I mean, it's like I said, there's no major flaws with it. So, Jamie Collins and then the EJ playoff ticket variation as well. Boom. Wow. Okay, so that's not terrible. Still 1 pack left. So that was a pretty solid box. We got